Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this video, we'll show you how to see your Snapchat history. Snapchat's chat is deleted when the other person sees the message, or after 24 hours. It depends on the settings that you've done. If you're looking for techniques to recover your Snapchat history, we'll show you how to do it. Open the Snapchat app. Tap on your profile picture to go to the account page. Tap the settings icon, then scroll down to Account Actions. Tap My Data and re-log into Snapchat. You can download your Snap history, received Snapchat history, sent Snapchat history, and private Snaps history. Scroll down and re-enter your email address. Hit the Submit Request button. You'll get an email confirmation that your request was accepted. After at least 2 minutes, access your email, look for an email from Snapchat, open the email, and tap Click Here. Scroll down to Your data is ready. Hit the clickable link. When your file finished downloading, open it in Files app and extract it. You can scroll through and you'll see the HTML folder. Click on it. You can click on any folder like Chats. You will see the date and time with names of all your chat history. That's it. What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.